Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Another synthetic wig. I don't know how this is gonna look on me. This is the first time I'm trying this blue. Look at that, y'all. Comes pre-plucked. Here is the cap construction. It is a 13 by 6. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. She real soft, y'all. You do get a little bit of tangles, and this does shed. Hopefully it don't shed a lot.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love, I've seen that way to me, I do with the world, I've seen that. Yeah, nobody will be over. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the boat that they bar? That's all they need to shit. And then I really put you too far. Midnight was gonna shit.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I go my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look to you. Come make us stop. Hold you for life.
everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, pass it down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm fucking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. Energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish for me?